Sometimes you don't set out to make something perfect, you just set out to make something beautiful. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'm working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas. I'll be using dark cerulean blue, turquoise blue, white, gold, and lavender. From the start, this color combination felt calm, balanced, and full of possibility. I have to say, cerulean blue really surprised me. There's something so stunning about this color. It's calm, bright, and full of contrast all at the same time. Working with it made me want to explore it more, and honestly, it might be my new magenta. I can already see myself reaching for this color again and again in future paintings. Acrylic pouring is heavily influenced by gravity and surface tension, which means tiny changes, like the angle of your canvas, the speed of your hand, or even room temperature, can completely change how the paint moves. That's why the process feels alive, and why artists often say the painting has a mind of its own. One of the reasons I love pouring so much is because it's incredibly therapeutic and calming for me. There is something about watching the paint move, slow down, and settle that helps me quiet my mind and bring me into the present moment. I hope the same sense of calm reaches you too. That as you watch the paint flow and blend, you feel a little more relaxed and at ease. Watching the paint reminds me to stay present. Nothing else matters in this moment except what is happening right here on the canvas. This painting really represents the feeling of new beginnings to me. Blues often symbolize clarity and calm, lavender brings softness and reflection, white creates space, and gold adds warmth and light. Together, these colors felt hopeful, like a fresh start. I layered the colors carefully on the canvas, then used a blow dryer to guide the paint evenly across the surface. The airflow helped stretch the colors, soften transitions, and allow the composition to open naturally. As the paint begins to move, the design reveals itself in the most beautiful way. The shapes softened, the colors blended effortlessly, and everything felt like it settled exactly where it needed to be. When colors work well together like this, it's usually because they balance each other. Cooler tones like cerulean and turquoise calm the eye, while gold and lavender add contrast and interest without overwhelming the design. White plays an important role too. It gives the color room to breathe. At one point, I used my finger to gently draw a curvy line through the paint, letting it travel across the entire canvas. That simple movement added flow and direction, guiding the eye from one side of the painting to the other. I love moments like this, where a small, intuitive gesture can bring everything together and add a sense of rhythm to the piece. And here's the final result: calm, expressive, and beautifully balanced. A reminder that sometimes letting go creates the most beautiful outcomes. If you enjoyed watching this pour come together, be sure to like and subscribe. And remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.